So anyway, I have the problem. I'm sharing the problem. Hope you are all able to see that. So நீங்க start பண்ணுங்க. So trigonometryல problems mainly பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த properties of triangle, okay, அப்புறம் inverse trigonometry இந்த மாதிரி இதுலனா these are the most advanced topics within trigonometry. பட் நம்ம அது மட்டும் படிச்சா போதும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சு கூட, ஏன்னா மித்ததெல்லாம் முன்னால உள்ளதெல்லாம் படிக்கலன்னா இது போடவே முடியாது. ஓகே, so you have to be familiar with all the concepts in trigonometry, and questions will come from the most advanced part of the topic. So like this, okay, this is from the properties of a triangle. Okay.
Rather, this let A be equal to root 23. Abdiya?
Yeah. AB equal to root 23.
Oh, root
AB,
23.
BC, CA. The three sides are given. Root 23, 3 and 4.
Okay.
So we should find the value of cot A by cot A plus cot C by cot B. இதுல வந்து நம்ம சைன், லா ஆஃப் சைன், லா ஆஃப் கோசைன்ஸ் இதை யூஸ் பண்றோம். இதை போடலாம். ஓகே, just to give you a clue, so cot மாதிரிலாம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கொஞ்சம் you can easily convert it in sin and cos form. இல்லையா? So you can write cot as cos by sin. Cot A is cos A divided by sin A. So you can use that as the first step. Then try to see how we can apply sine rule or cosine rule. Yeah. Or both. In fact, you need to apply both. Hi, Santana Mariraj. Good evening. Good evening. ட்ரை பண்றீங்களா? போட முடியுதா? Hi, Nikki. Yeah.
It is root 23. It is root 23, Santana. Root 23. Answer is 1.2, Radha. Oh.
Answer is 1, na?
1.2.
1.2.
Approximate.
Cot B.
Mine is an approximation.
Okay.
See, I'll tell you how I have taken. I have taken 30, 60, 19 vechiten. I am finding cot A plus cot C divided by cot B. அதுக்கு 3, 4, 5க்கு என்ன வருதுன்னு பார்த்தேன். Somewhat closer to that.
Okay.
அந்த வரும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
Okay.
That may not be the correct method.
Yeah. So we have to use more
some other things.
exact methods. Yeah. Root 23, ma, Santana Mariraj. Root of 23. இந்த மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் சிம்பிள்லாம் நம்ம டைப் பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. இப்படிதான் இருக்கு ரூட் சிம்பிள். நம்ம லென்த் நமக்கு இஷ்டம் போலலாம் அது வராது. ஸோ தோஸ் ஆர் த கன்ஸ்ட்ரெயின்ட்ஸ். இந்த டைப் படிக்கிறதுக்குள்ள ரொம்ப இட் மேக்ஸ் அவர் லைஃப் ஸோ டிஃபிகல்ட். இந்த மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் சிம்பிள்ஸ், இந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ்லாம் இட்ஸ் இம்பாசிபிள். Hope you are all trying. Who are all trying? I want to get some feedback. Okay, please raise your hand. Whoever is trying. Okay. Very good. All of you are trying. Good. Super. Answer 1, Santana Mariraj. Okay, that's not the right answer, Santana Mariraj. வேற யாருக்காவது வந்திருக்கா ஏதாவது ஆன்சர்? Nikki called it as 2. Good. Yeah, 2 is the right answer. Yes. Good. Tarshine also got it as 2. Good. So Nikki, can you explain நீங்க எப்படி இத பண்ணீங்கன்னு?
சார் காட்டை வந்து காஸ் பை சைனா மாத்திட்டேன், காட் சி வந்து காஸ் சி பை சைன் சி மாத்திட்டேன் சார். காஸ் ஏக்கான ஃபார்முலா வந்து பி ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் சி ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் ஏ ஸ்கொயர் சார். அதே மாதிரி மற்ற எல்லாத்துக்கும் போட்டேன் சார், அதை வச்சு போட்டு ஃபார்முலா.
Very good, ma. Very good. You have applied the right approach. What about Takshani? Did you do the same thing? Takshani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The same approach.
Okay. So, Santana Miraj, did you check it up? Where you missed? Okay. So I will work on it now, so you can see where you missed. Okay. See, this is cot A plus cot C divided by cot B. Yeah. So first step, or did I say this can be written as cos A by sin A plus cos C by sin C whole divided by cos B by sin B. Right? And this numerator can be again written as sin A sin C. LCM. Okay. Now cos A sin C plus sin A cos C. Okay. Denominator மூணு பண்ண வேணும். Okay. So what is this cos A sin C plus sin A cos C என்ன? Does it look like a familiar?
Sin A plus C.
Very good, very good. That is sin A plus C divided by sin A sin C. What is the numerator? So denominator now I will write it the reciprocal. So here denominator cos B by sin B is in the denominator. So I will write it as sin B by cos B into what is sin B by cos B. Right? Now using the properties of triangle, what is sin A plus C? We know that A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Yeah. So A plus C equal to 180 degree minus B. Yeah. So sin A plus C, therefore sin A plus C is equal to sin. In the step on the or overdid. So what is sin 180 minus B? It is simply sin B. Because in second quadrant, this angle is in second quadrant. 180 minus B, second quadrant, sin is positive. So it's sin B. So now I want to substitute. So what are we getting? Sin A plus C into sin B. Yeah. That will be sin B into sin B. Numerator la. Denominator la. Sin A sin C cos B. Okay. Okay. Now sin B by sin A, sin B by sin C. அதெல்லாம் இருக்குது. So can we calculate this sin B by sin A and sin B by sin C? How can we determine sin B by sin A? What is sin rule? Santana Merraj, you did a careless mistake. Okay. Okay. You also got the answer as 2 then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sin B by sin A. What is sin B by sin A? As per sin rule, sin B by sin A is equal to B by A. Right? That is sin rule. Sin B by sin A equal to B by A. So that is basically the rule says that A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. So this is what is right. Into B by C. Right? So sin B by sin C I can write as B by C. So we have the values of B, A, C now. So up to this we have got. So what remains is 1 by cos B. Now how to get cos B? So we have to apply the cos rule here. What is cos rule? Cos rule is B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. This is the cos rule. Okay. That means this gives us cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square whole divided by 2AC. So we can now all that remains is substituting B square by AC. I'm writing this required answer. Okay. So B into B by AC, B square by AC in potache. 1 by cos B, then we will 2AC by A square plus C square minus B square. Two B square by so this is what you get, right? 2. So we all that remains is substituting. So what is A, B, and C now? B square is AC, right? 4. B square, right? A square BC. C square C3 okay. Minus B square. Yes. So exact to remember. Okay. So this is, you can consider that this is one of the easier problems. You can easily apply your sine and cosine rules. Okay. So you can get the answer. So yarka the doubt irukadilla? Any question? I think it looks like many of you have done that. So I'm glad that many people could do this. Very good. Santana Merraj, Akshinya, Sri, Nikki, I see that these three have done. Rest of the people, were you able to do it also? Sure. Let's go to the next problem. Okay. please read this problem. Okay. Read this problem. Let x, y, and z be positive real numbers. Suppose x, y, and z are the lengths of the sides of a triangle, opposite angles x, y, and z respectively. These are all standard. Okay. Now, if tan x by 2 plus tan z by 2 is equal to 2y by x plus y plus z, then which of the following statements are true? It is similar now. You have to use properties of triangles. So you can see that some side lengths are given, and tan x by 2, tan z by 2. So there is a formula that links tan x by 2 to the side lengths. So if you can remember that formula, that is what we need to apply here. So who remembers the formula for tan x by 2? Can anybody tell?
Sir, R by S minus A.
R by I'll write that formula. So tan x by 2 equal to where S is the semi-perimeter, the standard term we use for S. Okay, standard notation for semi-perimeter is S. Okay, so this by multiplying numerator and denominator, this is what is given in your book. Okay, square root of S minus y into S minus z whole divided by S into S minus x. This is the standard problem. So now this is coming from sin x by 2 equal to sin s minus y by s minus z divided by y z and so on. So it comes from that sin x by 2 cos x. I can write it here if you want, all the formulas, so that BC. Okay, so from these three are given in your book. S sin of x by 2, it can be derived also from basically from the sine rule and cos rule. But these things you should remember. Okay, sine, because I am writing all of them because sometimes it will be based on sine, sometimes it may be based on cos. This particular problem is based on the tan x by 2, but you should remember all of them. So actually tan comes from sine by cos here. Okay. So this again can be written as square root of s into s minus x into s minus y into s minus z divided by simply multiplying denominator and numerator by s into s minus x. And what is square root of s into s minus x, s into s minus y into s minus z? The area of the triangle. Okay, so square root of s square into s minus x square is s into s minus x. So this formula can be rewritten in this form. Okay, so tan x by 2 equal to a divided by s into s minus x. Similarly, you can write tan z by 2. Okay, and use that equation. With that, we can solve this problem. I hope you're all trying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Try for some time. யாரெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க? Should I wait? Okay. I will wait for some time. Rest of the people try பண்ணலையா நீங்களா? Nikki, Takshayani, Takshinya, Sri. Harish, Manohar, Srinivasan. நீங்களா ட்ரை பண்றீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Waiting for explanation. Okay. I'll wait for Santana Mariraj to complete.
So option B and C, sir.
Options B and C. Very good, very good. So நீங்க எப்படி போட்டீங்க? Next steps கொஞ்சம் explain பண்ண முடியுமா?
Sir, tan y by 2 sir tan y by 2 tan z by 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சேன் sir.
Okay.
And tan x by 2 plus tan z by 2 is equal to 2y by 2x, sir.
Right.
அதிலிருந்து y கண்டுபிடிச்சேன் sir.
Okay.
அப்ப tan y by 2 is equal to 1 ஒரு equation வந்துச்சு sir.
Okay.
So y by 2 is equal to 45 degrees sir. அப்பனா tan y by 2.
Y equal to 90 degrees.
So y 90 degrees. So y 90 degree na triangle வந்து டோட்டலா 180 degree. So அது 90 degree na மத்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் பிளஸ் பண்ணா 90 degree தான் சார் இருக்கும். So y is equal to x plus y.
Very good.
Plus z, sir.
Very good. Very
so
good. Very good, sir. Okay. So let me do it here. Okay. So the formula that we are using is tan x by 2 is a divided by s into s minus x. Okay. Plus என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Tan z by 2. Tan x by 2 plus tan z by 2, right? Is a by s into s minus x plus a by z into s minus z. Okay. Is equal to 2y by x plus y plus z. And what is x plus y plus z? By definition, x plus y plus z is same as 2 into s, right? When the 2 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். If you see all the terms have got a s in the denominator also. Okay, so we can cancel that also. So what remains is a by s minus x plus a by s minus z equal to just y. Let me create some space. Okay, so let's keep simplifying this further. Okay. Just I'm simplifying. Okay. Just simplify. Okay. So what is 2z? 2z is same as x plus y plus z. Yeah. So again we can do a substitution. You see that no, all these things get cancelled out. A y. Yeah, that's what remains here. Again, y also get cancelled out. So what we get is s minus x into s minus z equal to a. Okay. Now let us do some more simplification. And what is a now? Square root of, again we will put back this s into s minus x into s minus y, right? Now if you square on both sides, so now we can cancel out one s minus z and s minus x. Okay, squares will go now. So what this is giving us is s into s minus y equal to s minus x into s minus z. So this is what you get. Okay. So further let us simplify. S square minus sz minus sx plus xz equal to, I have written the product of s minus x and s minus z. So here it is s square minus sy. Okay. So now again s square gets cancelled out. What remains is minus s6 plus sy minus sz I brought everything to the left hand side now. Minus S6 plus Sy. Or S into minus X plus Y minus Z equal to minus XZ. Okay. So, in other words, minus so I am multiplying both sides by a minus, so that gives me S into X minus Y plus Z equal to XZ. S into X minus Y plus Z equal to, இப்போ திருப்பி நம்ம S க்கு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். I have just substituted instead of S, X plus Y plus Z by 2. So what is this product? This is X plus Z plus Y, X plus Z minus Y. So that means X plus Z whole square minus Y square by 2. X is it. Or rather, இதை நம்ம எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். X square plus Z square plus 2XZ minus Y square equal to 2XZ. Okay. So this gives us X square plus Z square equal to Y square. Okay. So it looks like so many steps, but with some practice, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா போட்டுடலாம். Okay. So this tells us that this is a right angle triangle at Y. Okay. Angle Y equal to 90 degrees. So that is what we get from this, all this effort. Okay. So the moment we get capital Y is 90 degree, we can immediately answer at least a couple of questions. 2y equal to X plus Z. True? No, that cannot be true because 2y is already 180 degree. X plus Z cannot be 180 degree, right? Because y is 90 degree, the remaining two angles are 90 degree. Since y equal to X plus Z, so X plus Z is 90 degree, y is 90 degree. So this A is not true, B is true. So that way we can easily conclude. Write it down. Now let us see what is C. C is tan x by 2. Okay, so okay, this D x square plus Z square minus Y square equal to XZ. Okay, so let's see what we have got about that. We have already got here x square plus Z square minus Y square equal to 0. Yeah, wait. What is given here? X square plus Z square minus Y square. So that is equal to 0. We already got as Y square equal to X square plus Z square. Right? So that is 0, not equal to X and XZ. So D is also not true. Idile nama 3 idu potachu. Now only that C remains. And what is that C? Tan x by 2 equal to X by Y plus Z. That's verify. And what is our tan x by 2? We already saw that tan x by 2 is a by s into s minus x. Yeah. And in this case, since it is a right angle triangle, the area is going to be, instead of here we can put
one by 2 of x, is it?
half into x into z, right? Okay. So now either simplify panna, we'll get the desired whatever we want. Okay. We can verify the given statement. So this 1 by s into s minus x. Okay. So I am expanding s here. X plus y plus z by 2 into minus x. Okay. X is z by 2 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம். So the denominator now becomes 1 by, so இது அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோம், x plus y plus z by 2. The other one becomes, this is 2, okay. 2 and z, please be careful. Okay. So this will be x plus y plus z minus 2x by 2. So that means y plus z minus x. X minus 2x வந்து minus x இல்லையா? So it comes like that. Okay. இதை நம்ம simplify பண்ணா we'll get the given expression. X is z by 2 into, I am writing this reciprocal of this. Okay. You don't do. Okay. So what remains is 2xz in the numerator, and the கீழே வந்து again the same expression, x plus y plus z into y plus z minus x. So y plus z plus x minus x. So that means minus x square. Okay. So that is so now we can substitute y square equal to z square plus x square. Yeah. So you'll get that. 2xz divided by y square, I am substituting at x square plus z square. So what you get is 2xz divided by 2z square plus 2yz. Okay. So take out 2z, divide all the terms by 2z. So you get x divided by 2z z y. Okay. So this is what they are given. Y is x by z plus y, right? x by y plus z. Okay. So that means that option is true. C is true. கொஞ்சம் lengthier in the problem, but simple concepts. So you keep simplifying. Sometimes they want to test, right? Really, whether you can do these things fast. In the problem, we only have 5 to 10 minutes. The thing is, maths the following, right? The maths the following has the highest weightage, maximum marks. I think you'll have 5 minutes to do this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. Okay. I already got the problem on the board. This is on the inverse topic. Let tan inverse of x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, tan inverse of x belongs to this range. This is a normal range for tan inverse x, and x belongs to R. And the number of real solutions of the equation square root of 1 plus cos 2x. The entire thing, square root of the entire thing. Okay, I'm bracket put again. Square root of 1 plus cos 2x is equal to square root of 2 into, so here square root of 2 is separate. Okay, the square root doesn't apply to tan part. Okay, so it's simply square root of 2 into tan inverse of tan x. Okay, in the set, given set. Okay, so in the range. Okay, so in this range, what is the what are the number of solutions to this equation? Okay, so the equation I'll write again. Okay, square root of 1 plus cos 2x. This is the equation that we have to solve. The first statement is standard, so there's nothing in that. So we have to count the number of solutions to this in this range, with minus 3 pi by 2 to plus 3 pi by 2, excluding the values such as minus 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, all those places where tan x is not defined. Okay. Please try. This is actually, it is a conceptual problem. Once you know how to do it, it can be done quickly. Are you all trying? Please put your hands. Whoever is able to try. Okay. So you got the answer as 2. Okay. 2 is not the right answer, Harish. Just check. Santana Marraj. No. Check. 1 is also not correct. Okay. Done. See, what approach did you follow? Santana Marraj, எப்படி போட்டீங்க இது?
Sir, cos 2x cos 2 cos square x minus 1.
Right.
So root 2 cos x is equal to root 2 x. So root 2 cancel. So cos x is equal to x.
Right. Good. Yeah, it was simple substitutions. You can simplify like that. After that, how did you do it? அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் கஷ்டம். அதுக்கப்புறம் see இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளத்துல it will be very easy if you can just plot it. Okay, tan inverse of tan x எல்லாம் if you just plot it, no, so then it will be very easy. இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, புக்ல இருக்கும், பார்க்கணும். tan inverse எப்படி இருக்கும், tan x எப்படி இருக்கும். So tan inverse of tan x, how will that chart look? If you can plot it, no, then we can easily see how many solutions are there. In fact, நான் அந்த சாட்டுக்கு சில பேருக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அந்த யூஎஸ்லாம் அங்க இந்த calculator itself they will have the facility to plot it. So if you give a function, it will plot it. So அவங்க இந்த சில equations கொடுத்தா, 2 equations simultaneous solutionலாம் கொடுத்தா, so they will just plot the 2 graphs and see, you can physically see the solution in the graph. So that way, I used to think if you can, the number kita, I don't know if first of all namak idu calculator allow panna maatanga nenikiren, but even if our calculators, I don't know if they support plotting graphs. So that is one of the methods. Idella nama manual ave easy ah plot பண்ணிடலாம். I will write down what Santana Marraj just now told. Okay. So square root of 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Right? So this is root 2 into, இங்க தான் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும். Square root is a function that will return positive value. Okay, so if that function provides a square root of a number has got negative and positive values, this function square root அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தா that will always return a positive value. அதனால இதை நம்ம எப்படி போனோம்னா mod of cos x அப்படின்னு. Okay, so square root of 2 into mod of cos x is equal to square root of 2 into tan inverse. I think that's what probably Santana you might have missed. Okay, so all remains is mod of cos x plot பண்ணுங்க, tan inverse of tan x plot பண்ணுங்க. You can see how many solutions are there in the given range. So I'll give it 1 or 2 more minutes. Answer 4. No. let's try to plot it. Okay, so these are the two plots, two functions that we need to plot. Okay. Let's plot y equal to mod cos x. Okay, so we know that function cos 0 is 1, so that will pass through here, and the range for this is 0 to 1. Okay, so at pi by 2 it reaches 1, and again pi it comes back to 1. Okay, pi by 2 it is 0, right? It's 1. So it is something like this. This is your y equal to now in the same range. Let's plot tan inverse of tan x. And what is the range of tan inverse x? This function is tan inverse of tan x. What is the range of tan inverse of x minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? And for benefit, they have given it also in the problem. So the range of the function is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So let us pick up some points. So when x equal to 0, tan x equal to 0, and tan inverse of x is also 0. Okay. This is our point. When x is pi by 2, tan x is not defined, it is infinity. So in the vicinity, okay, near pi by 2 not excluded, tan inverse will be pi by 2. That is here. Here this particular point will be excluded. Okay. So all other points in the range tan inverse of tan x will be same as x. So it is like y equal to x. So this is your line. Okay. But the thing is, when it exceeds this pi by 2, goes to the next range, like pi. Okay, so here tan pi is when x equal to pi, tan pi is 0, and tan inverse of 0 is not pi. Instead, it is going to become 0 because tan inverse is defined only in the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. அதனால இந்த பாயிண்ட் இங்க இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி 3 pi by 2க்கு tan of 3 pi by 2 is infinity. So அதோட tan inverse நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா திருப்பி it will not be 3 pi by 2, it will become pi by 2 only. So it is going to be like this. Same for minus pi by 2 also. As x goes on increasing or decreasing, this tan inverse of tan x keeps on coming up like this, these kind of lines. So now you see, superimpose this on that and see how many solutions are there. Right? So you can easily see how many solutions will be there, right? Three, yeah, finally you got it, Santana Miraj. Very good. Okay. So, yeah. So 3 is the answer here. So now I've got one more problem, but I want you people to try, okay, instead of me doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this sheet to all of you. இதுவும் வந்து inverse trigonometry function related problem தான். So either number, you don't even need graph, you can even solve it. So what is tan inverse of the reciprocal identity use பண்றோம் இல்ல, tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, cot inverse of அதோட reciprocal கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So you use reciprocal identity here and you can easily solve this. I'm going to let you solve it, okay? நீங்க whoever is in the class, please solve it. Next class we will focus on another topic, next topic. But in the problem matram நம்ம we'll have a look at it and then we will move to the next topic. The reason is I want you to think and do it and come, and then it's already late now. I don't want to wait for you to do and then do today. So you might as well do it and come. Next class, first thing we will do this problem and then move to the next topic. Does it make sense? Is it okay? Type பண்றீங்களா இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை வீட்ல? Okay, sir. 3D and vector in next class. 3D vector, Shiva and Rahul, they are going to take 3D and vector. We are divided in some way. Okay, probably Sunday class, if they may take 3D and vectors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This Sunday. Okay. So
Sir,
please
sequence and series
classes that I am taking, and Sunday Shiva will be taking, Shiva or Rahul. Okay. So adil irukum. Okay. Please attend that.
Sir, right. Then sequence and series tell you.
Next namakku that's what will come. Sequence and series and the binomial theorem, the combinations. So those are the topics that I'm going to cover. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I don't know, depending on the order in your book and the order la poitu irukena. So I think combination, that permutation combination will come first in nenikren. So that's what we will do in the next class. Okay. PPT நான் ஷேர் பண்றேனே, இந்த இதை வந்து நான் குரூப்ல போடுறேனே. நான் ராம ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் ஆர் யூ லாஸ்ட் வீக் கூட நான் ஷேர் பண்ணேன். உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சதா இல்லையா?
Yes sir, I got it sir, but today's net is very unstable. I can't even see your presentation.
Oh, okay.
It is coming and going sir, so including your video also sir.
Okay, I will anyway share. Like last week, I will share this material in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After the class, I will share it in the group, so you can look at the solved problems. And the fourth problem, you should try to solve. Okay, yourself. And
Okay, sir.
the next class.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay then. See you all in the next class. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.